Over the holidays, dbrand introduced a brand new skin design that has quickly caught a lot of attention, especially among Pixel fans. It's called Sketch 2D, and its main goal is simple, but bold, to make your Pixel 10 look like it jumped straight out of a cartoon and into the real world. The Sketch 2D skin officially launched on Christmas Day and is part of dbrand's latest collection. The design is inspired by classic doodles and hand-drawn sketches. When applied to a phone, it creates the illusion that your device is flat and animated, even though it's still very much a normal, three-dimensional smartphone. The contrast between the cartoon-style lines and the real-world shape of the phone is what makes this skin stand out. On the Pixel 10, the effect is especially striking. The phone suddenly looks less like a piece of modern glass and metal and more like something from an animated show or a comic strip. The edges, buttons, and camera area are all outlined in a way that mimics hand-drawn ink lines. From a distance, it can actually make people do a double take, wondering if what they're seeing is real or not. The Pixel 10 series isn't the only lineup getting this treatment. dbrand has made the Sketch 2D skin available for a wide range of devices. This includes other Pixel phones, many Samsung Galaxy models, several iPhones, and even gaming devices like the Steam Deck and the Nintendo Switch 2. The idea is clearly meant to appeal to anyone who wants their device to feel more playful and less ordinary. Pricing for the Sketch 2D skin is in line with dbrand's usual offerings. Most skins cost around $25, though the exact price depends on the device you're buying it for. That puts it firmly in the fun accessory category rather than something that feels overly expensive. For people who already like customizing their devices, this is just another way to stand out without changing the phone itself. What makes this launch more interesting is the timing. dbrand paired the release of the Sketch 2D skin with a contest that has grabbed even more attention. Alongside selling skins, the company is running a giveaway where one random winner will receive a Galaxy Z TriFold. That's a big prize, especially for fans of foldable devices and cutting-edge hardware. Entering the contest is simple. Anyone who places an order on dbrand's website through January 3 is automatically entered. It doesn't even have to be the Sketch 2D skin. You can buy any product from the site and still qualify. For those who don't want to spend money, there's also a "no purchase necessary" option. dbrand allows people to print and mail in a ballot to enter the giveaway without buying anything, which keeps the contest open to more participants. The combination of a fun new skin and a high-profile giveaway feels very on-brand for dbrand. The company has always leaned into bold designs, humor, and attention-grabbing ideas. Sketch 2D fits right into that identity by offering something that's visually different from the usual carbon fiber, leather, or matte finishes people are used to. For Pixel 10 owners, this skin offers a way to make a brand new phone feel even more personal. Instead of hiding the phone in a case, Sketch 2D turns it into a conversation piece. It's not subtle, and it's not meant to be. This is the kind of design you choose because you want people to notice it. Sketch 2D is available right now on brand's website, and judging by the reaction so far, it's one of those designs people either instantly love or simply don't get. Either way, it proves that phone customization doesn't always have to be serious. Sometimes, it can just be about having a little fun with the device you use every day.